monkey. How is that? Perfect. Go right back to Dad. Dad, you got it? Very good.
That's awesome.
Give me any female. Poppy, when I call for the males, you could come back, okay? Yes, take photos of them. Don't be shy. You're okay right there, Poppy. What's your name? Lana. Marty. You did awesome. Any other females, ladies? Mama, you don't want to? Okay, Mama, no worries. Notice what she's doing. Please notice what she did. Notice, folks, what she's doing. She's eating leaves. This is their main food source. We are only giving her a treat, which is a banana. She substituted what is natural with what is unnatural. If anyone here thought that monkeys love to eat banana, no, you were wrong. These monkeys, we had to introduce them to a banana. Only the movies and cartoons says monkeys eats banana, not in the wild. These monkeys had no idea. That is why the others are not interested. Monkeys has to live on the ground to eat banana because banana is not regenerated by the seed. So she went back up eating some leaves and then she's going to come back again. And that is the wild nature of these monkeys. I have no control of their behavior. And she recently gave birth, but the baby is not